Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lauren and today's video is about organisation. So we have a storage solution that my husband built over our stairs, and yeah, I needed to organise through the boxes and get everything out and switch everything around, and I really wanted to just share how great this storage is in case anyone had some dead space above their stairs also and needed a little bit more storage. So that is the main purpose of this video. So yeah, if you are new here, I would love you to stick around. I'm aiming to post 3 videos a week based on organisation, mum life and meal ideas and veganism. So yeah, that's what I'm all about. Yes, so if you like what you see in this video, I'm hoping to post more organisation videos this year, and I would love you to press that red button down below and subscribe and stick around. And yes, let's jump into the video. As you can see, this is the storage that we have above our stairs. My husband just built 3 simple shelves. If you want to know how he did that, I can ask him to let me know and I'll let you know. And then we just painted the fronts and he stained the very front. I don't know why I just did the front, but when the boxes are on, that's all you need to see. And yeah, these are brilliant, they're easy to reach and they fit plenty in. So this is me just organising everything now. Of stuff in these boxes, a lot of stuff that I don't use, a lot of stuff that I don't want to use with being vegan now. I mean, I've tried using as much as I can to use up so I'm not wasting, but I've got some stuff here behind me that I'm going to just give away because I haven't used it yet. Because I haven't used it yet, so I might as well give it to people. So I've got Radox and bath salts and stuff like that, so I might as well put it to use. So I'm keeping all these bags, even though I never go out anywhere hardly. On the odd occasion that I do go somewhere nice, these are all my nice bags. So I'm keeping these. This was my wedding bag. So that's that. And then in this box I've just got my bath pillow for the occasional bath that I have, and then some hot water bottles. So in there I've just got shower gels. In this one I've got some bath bombs and some hand soap and soaps and stuff that I got for my birthday. In this one I have all the shampoo and conditioner. In this one I had a massive stock of plastic toothbrushes and toothpaste and everything. because I like to keep stock of everything. So I've had these for a while now, and then some wipes also, so they are in that box. And then this box is free. This box has got my everyday bags in. Again, I don't change my bags often at the moment, especially because I've got the baby changing bags, so I tend to just shove my things in there most of the time. But these are the bags I want to keep for everyday use. And then I have this free box, should I say. So hopefully I'll be able to put those to good That is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this. See you in my next one. Bye.